Hello friends, my name is Sankalp and today I am going to show you how I created my dashboard for Makeover Monday week 35. If you are new to this channel then please subscribe the channel. As I have promised, I am going to show you how I created this toggle switch to sort the view in the dashboard. So without wasting much time, let's start with this video. This was the layout I have created for my dashboard. It's very easy to create such layouts in Figma. To know more, just click on I button for introduction about Figma. To add images like this, just download them from Google and go to remove.bg to remove their background. For the text you are looking in the layout, I have used these settings like Quantico, Bold Italic, 20 and effects like drop shadow. Also, I have created two groups for toggle switches. Then I exported these two groups and added them in MyTableau repository. So go to this PC, Documents, MyTableau repository, Shapes and MOMW35 and add your shapes. I also used the cricket ball for that. Now create new workbook to create our dashboard. Now go to connect to data, text file, W35. This is the data which was given. Now again drag to make a union. Now go to sheet 1, create calculated field, name it to pad. In it you have to write if table name is equal to w35.csv. Then 1 or else 12. The reason for 12 is our dismissal's maximum value was 12. Click on apply and then OK. Now go to create bins. Name that bin padded and set size of bins to 1. Click on OK. Now you can see that there are half the data for 1 and half the data for 12. Now again create calculated field and name it index. In it you have to write 13 minus index. Click on apply and then OK. Again go to calculated field. Name it many balls. In it you have to write if index is less than or equal to window max of dismissals then index else end. Click on apply and then OK. Now drag these many balls to column, drag batsman to rows, drag padded to details. Use compute using padded for many balls and select the chart as circle. Now set it to entire view. Go to marks, select shape, go to more shape, click on reload shape, go to our file, select the cricket ball, click on apply and OK. Adjust the size of these balls. OK. Now we will just do some formatting, hide the labels, remove the headers, remove the grid lines. Give the background color 2255A4 which we used in our background layout in Figma. Click on OK. Remove all the lines. Okay, now our view is clear. Now we'll just adjust tooltip. Click on OK. Go to dismissals and add it to labels. Adjust it to 12, white and bold. Click on hide indicator for null values and rename this sheet as wickets. Now we have to create new worksheet. So create new worksheet, drag batsman to the rows and drag average to the columns. In this sheet, every value is doubled. The reason for this is we made a union of data, hence every value comes twice. So to fix that error, we will divide the sum of average by 2. Now our data is correct. Set the view to entire view. Remove the headers. We will do some formatting here. Just give the bars white color, again format. Give background the color which we have used in Figma. Remove all the grid lines, axis rulers, axis sticks, zero lines, everything. So our view will look clean. Format the names of the batsmen. Give it white color. Give it a size of 12 and make it bold so it looks better. Hide field label from rows. Now press Ctrl and drag this to the right. Go to dual axis. Click on synchronize axis. In this you have to select bar. We will remove the header. Click on show header. Now we have to remove this line. So for that we'll go to format. In format borders, you have to go to row divider and select it to none, and also column divider to none. And our view is proper now. Adjust the size of circles so that our view will look like a rounded bar chart, but we will edit this afterwards. Rename the sheet to average. Now we will create toggle switch. So for that you have to create parameter. Name this parameter as sort by. Select data type as boolean, current value as true and apply OK. Now create calculated field. Name it toggle calc. In this you have to write if sort by, then average, else dismissals, end. Click on apply and then OK. Now again create calculated field. Name this field as flip. In it you have to write if sort by, then false, else true. apply and OK. Now drag this flip to the mark section, click on shapes, show parameter for sort by, click on shape, more shapes, go to our MOMW35 folder and select the icon. Okay, so before that you have to set flip to the shapes. Now go to your folder. For false, you have to select the white one. Now change the value in sort by parameter. Again go there, and for true you have to select blue one. Click on apply and then OK. Set the view to entire view. Now it's time to create our dashboard. So drag the image to our dashboard. Choose and select the layout you have exported from the Figma app. Click on apply and then OK. Adjust the size of this dashboard. Now we will remove the padding. So set it to 0, then click on dashboard and also set it to 0. Now we have to drag our worksheets here. So first drag wickets, click on floating and then drag wickets. Adjust the size of this worksheet. Remove the head, remove the title. Again drag the average sheet. Adjust its size. Remove its title. Adjust the circle so that our rounded bar chart will look properly. Now drag our toggle switch here, format it, select its fill color to none, remove its title and adjust its position. Now it's time to give actions to this toggle switch. Go to dashboard, actions, in add actions select change parameter. In it you have to select sheet 3, that is our sheet for toggle switch. Click on sheet 3, target parameter sort by field flip, click on OK. Now you can see our toggle switch is flipping. So it's time to give the sorting power to this toggle switch. So click on batsman, go to sort, select sort by field, descending. In field name you have to select toggle calc. Do the similar for average. Go to batsman, go to sort, click on descending, sort by field, field name toggle calc. Rename this sheet to toggle calc or just toggle. Now go to dashboard and congratulations, your dashboard is ready. Just name it MOMW35 and click on your toggle switch to see your view sorted. So this was the final dashboard after the editing of everything. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the subscribe button, please like the video and please comment if you have any doubts. I am always going to reply your questions. Thank you.